Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the final look in my Disney princess makeup series, and that is Anna from Frozen. I did Elsa, so of course I had to do Anna in this section of the series. So this is all based on her look and her costumes and stuff. So if you guys want to see how I put it all together, then just stay tuned and make sure you stick around on my channel, because this week I will be revealing the full Disney lookbook with all of the princesses I did in this series and their full outfits. So make sure you stick around for that. That being said, let's get started. My hair probably looks a little funny just because I have it prepped and pinned for my wig when I go to put it on. So it is just like in two braids and pinned up in the back. But I do have my base down and my eyebrows on. So let's get into the rest of the look for Anna. This is the last one in this princess series. I do have another group of princesses I want to get to eventually, but right now I am just doing this, wrapping it up, this whole little series. The lookbook will be up very soon. That should be up on whenever, like 2 days is after this video. And then spooky season will be ready and raring to go, so I'm excited. Color for the eyes, I'm going into the Lorac Mega Pro 3 palette with a domed crease brush, and I'm going into the color Eggplant. I basically took whatever colors I could find from Anna's different outfits. So I just wanted, like, all of these are just like mimicking their color palettes, their general looks, not necessarily me transforming my face into them, because I feel like so many people have done like transforming into Belle, transforming into Cinderella, like doing all these things. So I just wanted this to be about the different colors that they have in their wardrobes throughout the movies. I'm just gonna blend these out now so there's no harsh edges and they're not so dark. Yeah, I really enjoyed this series. It made me think a lot, and getting to do like an outfit and a look kind of has gotten me in the Halloween mood of doing the costume and the look and stuff. So I am hoping that Halloween comes together the way I want it to. It's kind of like crunch time for me right now, even though it's still September. I like having at least 10 of the videos done by now, but because of everything that's gone on, because 2020 is just like screw everyone, I haven't been able to get that many done. I've gotten 2 done, and I hope to get 1 done within this week and next week at least. So I have a few going into October that you know, I can have prepped and ready to go. Go into my Galaxy Cheek palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to go into the color Aphrodite, and these are all baked shadows. So I'm going to take a packing brush and put it on with some setting spray. When you put it on like this, it almost goes on like a cream shadow. So you can kind of take it and drag it across. Now I'm going back into the Lorac palette and going into the color Crepe, and just putting a little bit of this underneath my brow bone to buff out some of those harsh edges from the Eggplant color. This is really all I'm doing on the lid. I wanted to keep it pretty simple because I'm going to put some colors underneath as well. But I want to give it a little bit of a gold kind of pop before I do anything else. So I'm going to go into the color Cider in this palette, and we're going to pop that in the inner corner because this kind of mimics the gold trim that you see in a lot of Anna's outfits. I have my foundation on and my liner. I decided not to do false lashes because I just want it to be kind of low maintenance, and I just don't see Anna as like a false lashes kind of girl. So I'm going into Neptune in the Galaxy palette once again with a dry brush. And we're going to put a little bit of that blue underneath our lower lash line on the outer corner, just to incorporate some of the blue that's in her costume. And it's a metallic baked shadow, so it's going to give you like a little bit of like a icy sort of shine on the outside of your eye, which looked really pretty with these purples. Now I'm going to take a brown gel eyeliner pencil. This one is from Marcel in the color Espresso. And we're gonna go the whole way in our waterline with this. Face, I'm going to contour with a little bit of blush. This is a matte blush from NYX, and basically what I'm going to do with it is just take it all the way back, not actually in the hollows of my cheeks, but more so up on the apples of my cheeks and bringing it back. This way my face still looks really round, which is what I want for Anna's kind of general face shape. I'm gonna go in with a ColourPop blush in the color Fun with Friends, and this one is going to do more so of our fine details. So like our pink little nose, which this actually does have a bit of highlight in it. So I'm just gonna pop it on top here as well. Of course, this look wouldn't mimic Anna without some freckles, so I'm going into Bark and Maple in the Mega Pro 3 palette, just back and forth, and we're gonna add some freckles all across the bridge of our nose and on our face. Lips, I'm going to use a pencil in Sensational. And over top of that, I'm going to use this gloss in Glazy Days from NYX. It's kind of like a nude brown color. All right, so I'm gonna pop on my wig and we will finish this look. This is the finished Anna look with the wig. I just have it in a side pony with the red hair. So this is it. This is the end of my princess series. If you guys like this series and seeing the outfits and the Disney rounding and makeup and stuff like that, let me know down below and I will do another series. You know, I have Cinderella, I have Kidda, I have a bunch of other people I could do as princesses or just Disney heroines in general. So if you like these types of videos, make sure you subscribe and make sure you stick around because 31 days is fast approaching and I am ready to show you guys what I've created so far. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.